But there's also good news. In Nantou Renai Township, a Huang family from the Sejek tribe has reclaimed their ancestral land after fighting for their title over the past 7 years. In order to deal with various government units, members from the family had even learned how to write petitions in formal letters. They also sought help from the Control Yuan. Recently, the Land Inspection Committee ruled that the Huang family provided enough evidence to regain the 1.5 hectares of land. This lot of land near Nantou's main river had long been cultivated by a Sejek family until 1977, when the township office unexpectedly zoned it as public land. To fight for their ownership, Huang Chunfu from the family started a legal battle against government units.
When we were fighting for this land, the township office did not offer us any assistance. Neither did they read the old documents. They didn't make any efforts to handle the land case. They used very bureaucratic and forceful ways, which made it more difficult for us to reclaim the land.
For the past 7 years, members from the 3 generations of the Huang family had to rely on themselves in their fight against the government. They also made an appeal to the Control Yuan. Many previous negotiations had failed, and the township office gave their take on the case.
The lot was delisted as a public land in 2005. They came to apply for ownership, so we made a public announcement on that. Later, we found that many individuals, both indigenous and non-indigenous, had also applied for ownership of the same lot. Since there were doubts, we have to discuss about the situation and make coordination at land inception meetings.
The complicated administrative procedures lasted for 7 years. Recently, the Land Inspection Committee ruled that the Huang family had provided enough evidence to prove their land ownership.
Now we don't see any reason not to approve the application. So today, with all the committee members here, we decide that this land should be registered under Huang Chunfu. The 1.5 hectare land belongs to Huang Chunfu.
For the Huang family, it was a belated justice. And Huang's son, Ibin Bihu, said the battle took a lot of time and energy. He said their success could serve as an encouragement to their indigenous members.
I hope the related authorities such as the Control Yuan and Investigation Bureau can also show more respect to the rights of the indigenous people.
After 7 years of fight, the Huang family finally won back their ancestral land. But the victory did not come easy. During the legal process, the Huangs had studied laws and learned how to interpret them in order to defend their family rights. Many other indigenous people may have lost their land because they are not as familiar with laws and administrative procedures. TITV Weekly.